Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for options when you go camping in order to get a good night's sleep, then this 3-inch memory foam blow up mattress from Wevelel might be just the right thing for you. So I liked that it was very versatile. I definitely am picky when it comes to mattresses because if I have one that's too hard, too soft, I just don't get a comfortable night's sleep. So when you're pumping up this mattress, not only does it have the memory foam to start with, but also you can adjust the amount of air pressure that's in it. So you can put more in if you like it harder, less in if you like it softer, etc. Using it was extremely easy. The instructions are right on the mattress itself, and you just use your foot to pump it up. This held air tightly as long as you make sure that the valves are clicked into place. I also like that we could use it easily in our hammock. That was actually my favorite way to use it. It just made it so comfortable. So for your next camping or outdoor adventure, you should check out this mattress, and that's my point of view.